Hello everyone, start off by sectioning out the front of the hair and then slowly begin to make a braid on it on either side. Separate the middle portion and then afterwards begin to make a braid out of it and then make two braids out of it as such. Join it at the base and then tie it up to the bottom. Make this heart shape out of it and then add a decorative clip or rubber band to it. Next, make about 5 divisions out of the hair in the front as such. Taking the middle one, separate it and then separate the ones in the middle, join them together as such. Do the same for the ones on the side as well. Now you should have 4 divisions. Then you will be left with 3 after joining it for the next round and finally 2, and then you may join them to either side of the ponytail. Take the top section of the hair and tie it up. Divide the section into 2 parts. Clip up one part of it and now begin to make a braid out of the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it as such. Now include them from the side that is closer to the face. When you move on to the left side, begin to make a braid out of the hair and then afterwards make sure that you include them from the section that is before the central parting. Tie a ponytail at the bottom. Now section out the front of the hair. At the back, clip up the rest of the hair. Take a small section of the hair from the front and then slowly begin to make a braid out of it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it as such. Now, make sure that you make a normal braid once you run out of sections to include. Tie a rubber band to the bottom of it once you are done. Now, take the middle section that you have kept aside and then start to make a braid out of this section as well. Once again, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid as you progress with it as well. Join both of these into a ponytail at the back, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself, fold it over and tie it up. Section out the front of the hair, make a braid at the back, and now gather the hair at the top and begin to make the braid out of this as well. Once you've made a braid out of this, tie a rubber band to the bottom. Before you tie a rubber band, however, make sure that you loosen the sides using your fingers. Once you're done with this, roll this up in a circular shape and pin this up in place using a bobby pin. Next, make a small braid from the sides and then tie the hair up the back. Now, after you've tied the hair up at the back, taking the side section of it, begin to make this braid at the side. Include more and more sections of the hair into the side portion of it as you progress with this braid. Now, after you're done with both of these, join them both together at the top as such. Now, add a decorative clip to the top. Next, we'll start off by dividing the front section of the hair. Now, make a middle section as well. Taking the front section, make a ponytail out of it. Join it to the middle section of the ponytail as well. And then make a braid out of the middle section. Tie a ponytail at the back and now roll this upwards. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the top section of the hair. Divide it into 2 parts and then make 2 braids out of it. And then afterwards, just make this bow-like shape out of it as such on either side. Bring it through the middle and then set it be. Afterwards, section out the front of the hair and multiple sections right behind it as such. Divide the back into 2 portions, make 2 braids out of it. Add a decorative clip at the top. Next, we will start off by sectioning out the front of the hair and now tie a rubber band to it. Roll this section of the hair in on itself, make a braid out of it, and now include sections of the hair through the middle section of this braid as such. Make 3 of them out of this. Now, using the 3 sections you have kept out, make a braid out of it on either side. Join them together at the back, join the other section at the back as well. Add decorative bows on either side of this. Thank you for watching.